Most of us use ChatGPT, but it actually works. Now, let me explain how it works without any technical jargon. When you type something into ChatGPT, it first does this. It breaks your sentence into smaller pieces called tokens. Think of tokens like chunks of words. Then behind the scenes, it uses a massive neural network, which is basically a very complex pattern matching system trained on enormous amounts of text. It doesn't search the internet in real time. It doesn't look up an answer. Instead, it predicts the next word, then the next word. One word at a time. Each prediction is based on probability. For example, if you type the capital of France is, the most statistically likely word or next word is Paris. Not because it understands geography, but because in the data it was trained on, those words frequently appear together. That's how it generates full paragraphs. It's consistently or constantly asking, given everything so far, what word most likely comes next? And it does this extremely fast. Now, here's what makes it powerful. It was trained on patterns across books, articles, conversations, and many forms of writing. So it learned how explanations sound, how arguments are structured, how stories flow, how professional emails are written. It learned patterns of language, not truth. That's an important distinction. It doesn't know facts the way humans do. It predicts patterns that resemble facts. And that's why it can write essays, generate code, summarize documents, answer questions, but also why it can make things up. That's why it can sound confident when it's wrong, but interpret vague instructions. ChatGPT is not a database with answers. It's a probability engine generating responses. Once you understand this, you stop expecting perfection from AI and start asking better questions. That's when it becomes powerful, full for AI education without the hype.